What's up, Dresden? How do you feel tonight? Wonderful. Thank you. You know, I'm so happy to be here. And it's my honor. Thank you for inviting me and thank you for coming. Okay, please welcome Jan Vogler. Very handsome, right? I love him. How is my performance?
I think it was great, and I was standing on the side of the stage and I was really mesmerized. The dance and singing and inspired for our next part of the show. So, we would like... However, we thought it would be nice to have a little talk for you and to ask Rain some questions. My first question is... of course, it was great to see you in Shanghai and Seoul, but what really brings you here? What are your motivations to come to Dresden and to do this joint concert?
I think it's really opportunity for you and me. Exactly, I'm proud of you and I respect you.
Well, vice versa. I think we mutual respect and interest. I think I heard your music, and on my trip to Korea when I went together with the German president, the most interesting thing I confess tonight for you was meeting Rain and talking about our music, because it was a special moment. Meeting the president of Korea was nice, but to meet Rain...
You know what? I met Jan in Shanghai years ago. From that moment, we talk about collaboration concert. And then, we made it. It's awesome. He's genius.
All of you who came to make it such an event, and when we got all this interest in the concert, we were so happy to see that you have open hearts for both of our music, because tonight there are people who have not heard Rain yet, and there are some people, or a lot of people who have never seen me. So I think before we go on, I would like to ask Rain what his projects are right now, because we all know he does a lot. I mean, he's a TV star, does big movies, of course the singing, the dancing, the concerts. What are your projects right now? Maybe you would like to talk a little bit.
These days, I'm doing concert in Asia. I went to Taiwan, Thailand, Macau, and I left China, Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Japan, Tokyo, Osaka, Singapore. I'm leaving tomorrow. So, go buy the ticket, please. Actually, my next project is I'm preparing my new album and my new movie. You'll figure it out very soon. Okay.
Great.
We just do it.
Okay.
I can't wait your play.
Me too. I can't wait to play with you.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse